Packaging pipe fittings is the final step in the cooperation process, and the packing standards reflect the supplier's attitude. As a company with 43 years of experience, we are responsible for every product. Before arranging shipment for our customers, our workers pack each pipe fitting into a box. Metleader not only affixes labels and certificates of conformity to each product, but also covers them with dust bags, seals valve flanges, and neatly arranges them in wooden crates. We can provide a wide variety of steel products, including flanges, elbows, valves, reducers, pipe caps, pipe clamps, and steel pipes, in complete specifications and support customization to meet all customer requirements. Our products conform to ANSI standards and are suitable for most industrial applications. To ensure the pipe fittings are not damaged by impact, we use custom-made wooden crates insulated with shock-absorbing foam, print packing lists according to customer requirements, seal the crates with panels, and secure them with sheet metal. From the customer placing an order to arranging shipment, every process is handled by dedicated personnel. Customers are encouraged to inspect each step, and third-party inspections are supported at the factory to ensure all products meet all standards. This demonstrates our commitment to our customers and our responsibility to our products. Metleader exports to countries including Vietnam, Indonesia, Iran, Nigeria, Kazakhstan, Egypt, and Singapore. We have earned consistent recognition and praise from our clients. At the end of the cooperation, we will arrange shipment according to the project schedule. We will also provide ongoing technical support to our clients throughout the process.